Everybody, welcome back to Tech and Prep. This is another April video pushing on my socials. If you like this content, please like, please subscribe. It's free, doesn't hurt you, helps me out. I like to get a better foothold in this industry and just kind of get things moving. This is a quick prep video on simple calories. I have 3 suggestions for simple calories. It's cheap right now. May not continue to be cheap, but sometimes it rains, sometimes supply chains get disrupted, and it's not a bad idea to have some extra food. First one is simple: rice. This was a 20-pound bag of rice. I want to say it was around $12 to $15 at the local grocery store. I get a bag of rice every couple times I go. I think I have about 50 pounds of rice like this. I have probably about another 100 pounds in Mylar bags. I'll show those in another video. This bag alone holds over 32,000 calories. And I'll give you a quick recipe that I use. Either 1.5 to 2 times the water to the amount of rice, cook for 18 minutes, boil for 18 minutes, put down to simmer. After the 18 minutes, take off the heat, let sit for 10 minutes, and it's perfect every time. Again, so if you're gonna have 1 cup of rice, either do 1.5 or 2 cups of water. I do 2 cups of water, probably because I'm at altitude. Throw a little bit of salt in there, bring it to a boil, turn it down to simmer, 18 minutes. When it's done with 18 minutes, I move it off the heat for 10 minutes, fluff it, add a little bit of butter. It's perfect every single time. In the case of emergency, all you need is water and heat. That's it. You have rice. This is 32,000 calories. Next one is chili. This is a big can of chili. This was a couple dollars at the grocery store. Make sure the cans are not dented and no damage. This one right here has about 1,400 calories total. So 1,400 calories plus some rice, you can get well over the 2,000 calories. You can make for a single person, you could easily make that a meal. All you need for this is some sort of a heat source. You could cook it in the can. Not the best idea. Most of these cans do have BPA in them or a liner to keep them protected from the metal, but in emergencies you can. Very simple, 1,400 calories plus some rice, you're well over 2,000. The next one is a small can of chili. This was just one I found. Happens to have no beans in it. This one right here has 670 calories per can. That with a cup of rice, and you're well over 1,000 calories, and that can feed you. And the last one is something simple, and that'll be something good for morale, is pancakes. Pancakes. This bag right here. Oop. I need to rotate it. How to rotate? Boop, boop. There we go. Over 16,000 calories in this one bag of Crusties. And all you need is water. Typically, it's about 3/4 water to 1 part pancake mix. So if you put in 1 cup of pancake mix, you need about 3/4, maybe a little more, depending upon how you like them, of water. You don't need oil. You don't need eggs to make it. Now, to cook it, you need a little bit of oil, fat, butter, spray, whatever it may be, and heat. And yeah, you may not have butter, you may not have syrup, but these are good for just something simple and morale. So real quick, rice, chili, and pancake mix, 3 staples that should be in your pantry, and you should have a bunch of. They don't go bad, and they're high calorie, they're dense in calories, and they taste good. Quick video. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.